Well, the Senzo Meyiwa Murder Trial is underway in the Pretoria High Court. Last week, the court heard evidence from 2 digital forensic experts. Of course, 5 men are on trial for the murder of the soccer star who died in 2014. He was at the home of the mother of his girlfriend, singer Khumalo, in Vosloorus, east of Johannesburg, when he was shot. Our reporter, Sipho Kekana, is there at the High Court, keeping a close eye on those proceedings. Sipho, good morning to you. I think just give us really a rundown of what we've heard this morning from Sergeant Mandla Masondo.
Good morning, Naledi. So what we have witnessed this morning is Sergeant Mandla Masondo taking the stand, a new witness in the Senzo Meyiwa Murder Trial, basically detailing how they got to arrest accused number 3, Mthobisi Mncube, who is one of the 5 accused sitting here in court. He says that he was in 2015 investigating a totally different case, and he received information about the whereabouts of the suspect that he was investigating at the time, which then led him to Cleveland, and that is where Mthobisi Mncube was then arrested. In fact, he says that they found him walking on the street with his girlfriend, and they followed him up to where he stayed, and when they arrived there, they then introduced themselves to him. They told him who they were and what they were looking for him for. And he says when they got to the room where he stayed, they searched that room, and on top of a wardrobe they found a firearm which he could not produce a license for, and they also found 16 rounds of ammunition in that firearm, and there was also another blue box next to the firearm which was also loaded with all sorts of ammunition. Now you will remember that Mthobisi Mncube is accused number 3 in the current trial, but he was arrested in 2015 for a totally different matter which had nothing to do with the Senzo Meyiwa. So what the state is doing at the moment, we are seeing the state trying to give us a link, or give the court a link between Mthobisi Mncube, arrested in 2015, and the murder that took place on that night, that is the murder of former Bafana star Senzo Meyiwa at his girlfriend's home, Khumalo, in Vosloorus. So we are expecting more of that in the post-adjournment proceedings from the state, trying to paint a picture of who Mthobisi Mncube is. And like I say, Mthobisi Mncube is a man originally from Macha-Amhlophe in the KwaZulu-Natal. He was arrested in 2015, and he is currently in custody, serving a 35-year prison sentence for a totally different murder. There is a cell phone that was confiscated when he was arrested in 2015. There is an unlicensed firearm which was confiscated, and ballistics examinations on that firearm then linked him to a different murder which he is now serving prison sentence for. And so we are expecting to now be told how does that firearm then link to Meyiwa's murder that took place in 2014 in Vosloorus.